In today's unpacking video, we feature the Turkana Madmules rackless luggage setup. Turkana offers rugged, smart outdoor luggage and accessories specifically designed for ADV and off-road riders. This setup consists out of the Madmules base and two 10-liter Trek bags. Other available sizes of Trek bag are 5, 15, and 20 liters. Key features are the modular design, quick fit and removal, field repairability, and the adjustability from slim enduro bikes to big adventure bikes. Included are the easy-to-follow instructions to set it up for your bike. The base has central sandwich system that allows for easy adjustability for each type of bike. Featured bike is the Cove 450 Rally, ideal bike to go for a lightweight rackless setup. With durable materials, water-resistant coatings, clever storage solutions, and easy installation, Turkana helps adventurers ride longer with less hassle. The goal? Charge, go, and enjoy where every mile counts. Allroad Moto is Turkana reseller in Belgium. Be free to visit us to check out the whole product range.